Hello, welcome to Narellan Parts Plus, Auto Parts Plus that is. Today we've got a 4.0 Xr6 Falcon. To tap up the rear, bit of hull damage on it. A little bit rough around the edges, but not too bad. Show you the damage here. Looks like we've got a pair of tail lights and a tow bar. The bootlet spoiler had it. We'll get a compliance plate for you. Got a little bit of hail on it too here and there, which they didn't tell us about, but anyway. Here's our compliance plates here. Start her up for you. 156,485 kilometres. There we go. XR6 trim, bit of paint on that seat there, and this seat's had a fat bastard on it. Washed out. Yeah, let's pop the bonnet for you. Standard 4-litre motor, auto transmission. Okay, so there it is. 1FG XR6 Falcon being dismantled at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. If you need any Falcon parts or any other parts that matter, give the guys at Parts Plus a call on 02 4646 1733 and they'll help you out. Alright, thanks for watching and bye for now.